The following is a briefing on the expected snow squalls across northern New York and Vermont today from the National Weather Service office in Burlington. Brief heavy snow squalls are expected today with surface visibilities near zero in the most intense snow squalls. A quick 1 to 2 inches of snow in 20 minutes can be anticipated. The rapidly changing weather conditions will create hazardous driving conditions, especially this afternoon and evening. As temperatures drop quickly below freezing by sunset, a flash freeze is possible with areas of black ice. Here is the projected snow squall timing: St. Lawrence Valley between 1 and 3 p.m., Northern Adirondacks between 2 and 4, Champlain Valley of New York and Vermont between 3 and 5, and across central and eastern Vermont between 4 and 6 p.m. Snowfall totals through January 5th are expected to range from a dusting to 3 inches in the St. Lawrence Valley, Champlain Valley, and lower Connecticut River Valley, with 2 to 4 inches over the northern Adirondacks and the spine of the Green Mountains, including the Northeast Kingdom, with localized amounts up to 6 inches possible from Sugarbush to Stowe to Jay Peak. Low temperatures Monday morning will range from near zero to plus 15 across the North Country, with very cold temperatures of minus 10 expected on the mountain summits. Here is a quick 7-day outlook for the mountains and valleys. Cold start to the week, but a warm finish, with our next system arriving on Saturday with a mix of rain and snow. To keep updated on the latest conditions, follow us on our webpage at weather.gov/btv or on Facebook or Twitter. Thank you.